Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Git Stash. This powerful command helps you temporarily set aside changes in your working directory when you need to switch branches or work on something else without committing incomplete work. It's perfect for when an urgent task comes up and you're not ready to commit your current progress. Think of it as a temporary storage for your modifications, keeping your workspace clean and ready for new tasks. To stash your changes, simply type git stash in your terminal. This command saves your modified and staged files, reverting your working directory to the head commit. If you also want to include untracked files, use git stash u. For better organization, you can add a descriptive message to your stash using git stash push-m your message here, making it easier to remember its purpose later. Once you've stashed changes, you'll want to manage them. To see all your saved stashes, use git stash list. This shows a numbered list of your stashes. To reapply the most recent stash to your current branch, simply use git stash apply. If you need to apply an older or specific stash, you can specify its index, for example, git stash apply stash at 1. After applying a stash, you might want to remove it from your list. To remove the most recent stash, use git stash drop. If you need to remove a specific stash, provide its index, like git stash drop stash at 2. Be careful, as this action is permanent. If you wish to remove all stashes at once, you can use the git stash clear command, which empties your entire stash list.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.